Hello students, a very good morning to you all. This is today's math class, and today we are going to do our exercise 1B. Last time we have discussed question number 1 and 2. This time we will discuss question number 3, 5 and 7. Okay, let us see the question number 3. Okay, in these sums we need to find the value of x so that it must satisfy the equation. Okay, so let us take the first question. It is 6 into minus x gives equal to minus 24. Okay, 6, this is bracket given, so let us elaborate it. 6 into minus x, and we have got minus 24. Okay, it is 6 is outside the bracket, it means that both are being multiplied. Okay, now again 6 into minus x. I have told you that there is one minus, okay, one negative sign, so we can write it as minus 6x is equal to minus 24. Okay, again minus 6 is multiplied with x. Okay, we need to find the value of x, so what we need to do, we have to take x on this left hand side and we need to shift minus 6 to the right hand side. What it happens, let us see. When we will do this one, it will be minus 24 upon minus 6. Okay, means minus 6 is multiplication, but when it is shifted to the other side, it becomes in division. Okay, so multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication, addition becomes subtraction, and subtraction becomes addition when it is shifted from one side to other side. Okay, whether from right hand side to left or left hand side to right hand side. Okay, now let us solve it out. What it is? Minus, there are two minus, whether it is in multiplication or it is in division. How many negative signs are there? There are two negative signs. 2 is even, so it is positive. Okay, now the sign is positive. Again, divide 24 by 6. What it will be? 6 4 times 24. Okay, sign is, there are two negative signs, it will be positive. So the value of x is 4. Okay, so we can write the final answer that x is equal to 4. Okay, now let us take the second one. The second question. Here also we need to shift this minus 12 from left to the right hand side. So here it is in multiplication with x. When it will be shifted, it will be in division, that is 84 divided by minus 12. Okay, so here how many negative signs are there? There is only one negative sign, so it will be negative. One is odd. Na? If you don't know this, see the previous video. Okay, divide 84 by 12. 12 sevens are 84. Okay, so it will be minus 7. So the answer is minus 7. Okay, let us see the third one. Minus x into minus 8 is equal to minus 24. Now let us solve it out. Minus x into minus 8. Okay, so what it will be? It will be minus, there are two negative signs, so it will be plus. Okay, no need to worry about the signs. Now x into 8. X into 8 we can write it as 8x. Okay, and there are two negative signs, so it will be plus. 8x is equal to minus 24. Okay, again now we need to find the value of x. So just shift 8 from this side to the right hand side. Okay, 8 is in multiplication, it will be in division. Okay, on the other side. Now there is one negative sign, so the sign will be negative. 24 divided by 8, it is 3, so it is minus 3. Okay, now let us see the another question, that minus 13x is equal to minus 65. Okay, so the way is similar. Here minus 13 is in multiplication, shifting towards the other side. It will be in division, there are two negative signs, so it will be positive. And 65 divided by 13, this is 5. 13 5 is 65. So the answer x is equal to 5. Okay. Now let us see the sixth question. It is 20 into minus x giving 100. Okay. So how many negative sign are there? Only one. So it will be minus 20x is equal to 100. Again, just shift minus 20 to the other side. It will be 100 upon minus 20. How many negative sign? Only one. So it will be minus, and 100 divided by 20. 20, that is 5. So x is equal to minus 5. Okay. Now let us see the question number 5 and 7. It has been given. There is a lady, that is Divya. She has 60 rupees. So let us write it in words. Divya has amount, how much? That is 60 rupees she is having. Okay, how much rupees she take out every day? Amount Divya takes out every day. Okay, how much amount she takes out every day? This is rupees 5. Okay, so this amount has been debited. ये निकाला जा रहा है. जो पैसा निकाला जाएगा वो माइनस में लिया जाएगा. ठीक है, यहां भी मैंने लिख दिया है, इसको देखते हैं. And she does this thing for continuously 6 days. Okay, so amount that is debited for 6 days. Okay, for 6 days he is continuously taking out 5 rupees. So 6 multiplied by minus 5, because 5 rupees is subtracted each day. Okay, every day. So this is minus, only one minus, so it is minus. 6 into 5, 30. So we will write it as rupees minus 30, or when we talk about integers, it will be denoted as minus 30. Okay, rupees is not in negative, but for the symbolic representation. So amount debited for 6 days, it will be represented by minus 30. Let us see question number 7. Okay, this is the last question of our exercise 1B, and the question which are homework, note it down. This is the 7th question. There is a female ascetic black bear. Okay, and she has weight of 110 kg at the starting of hibernation, before going to hibernation. So let us write it out. Female Asiatic black bear's weight. Okay, its weight before hibernation. Okay, before hibernation. What is her weight? That is 110 kg. And how much weight she loses every month? Okay, she loses weight every month of hibernation. How much weight she loses? 2 kg. Okay, so this after the period of hibernation is, let me write it, period of hibernation. Period of hibernation is 6 months. Okay, what is the integer multiplication with what is the weight she has loses? So weight lost by her during hibernation. During hibernation, what is the weight lost? Now 6 months, and each month she is losing 2 kg. So it will be 6 into minus 2. There is one minus, it will be minus. 6 into 2, it will be 12. That is minus 12. Minus 12 kg. Okay. Now what is her weight after the hibernation? Okay, now I will write her weight after hibernation. So what will be her weight? What is the starting weight? That is 110 kg minus, this is minus 12. So let us operate it. What will be? It will be 98 kg. Okay. So this was for all today. Keep studying. Take care. Goodbye.